Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready for some knowledge! What's up, guys? It's your boy King Doom. Yes, I just did that. Who gives a fuck? Okay, let's get into this shit, man. I'm about to tell you guys exactly what you guys need to know right now, especially if you're starting off in real estate, man. A quick background about me, man. I've been in real estate for about 3 years. Full-time, no bosses, man, freedom, all that shit, man. Y'all already see my page. Y'all see the way I travel, and a lot more traveling coming soon, by the way. And so y'all already know what's good with it. So I'm gonna give you guys exactly what you guys came here to get, and that's some knowledge about some real estate experience, okay? A lot of you guys are trying to get into real estate. Maybe you want to flip houses, maybe you want to flip land. My page is all about land, guys, because that's all I've been doing for the last 3 years. And it has been working fantastic for me, man. I'm working on keep going. Obviously, I still face challenges, and I'm not gonna say I'm here perfect, but I will say that with the amount of money that I made in real estate, I can give you guys some quick, real, legit knowledge that you guys can take and implement into your life. All right, but for today, I want to set the expectations, man, for everybody who's trying to get into real estate. You thinking that, oh man, I'm gonna get in real estate, I'm gonna make 10 grand, I'm gonna make 20 grand, I'm gonna make 50 grand. Yes, it is possible. You can do that. But let me set the expectation as far as what the time frame is gonna look like, okay? My mistake was I was in real estate for about I was trying to do real estate for about 1.5 years. Close to 2 years with no results, okay? It was at the 1.5 year mark that I finally got my first deal, and I got it through cold calling, okay? So I want to go ahead and set some expectation as far as marketing methods that you can utilize to get your first deal, what you should expect in terms of payments, and then what you should what it really takes to be successful. The first thing is the marketing method that I used to get my first deal was cold calling, but the marketing method that I used to get my second deal and my third and my fourth and my fifth was not cold calling, guys. It was, yes, in fact, direct mail. I used direct mail pretty much throughout my entire real estate years. Like all the 3 years that I've been doing it full time has been through direct mail. Just recently this year, I've been implementing text messages. And I'm not saying that I'm not a fan of it, but I am saying that it's a little bit more hands-on, but it is way cheaper, okay? So today I'm gonna talk about direct mail because that's the way that I would recommend, especially if you get into land. That's the way that I've gotten all my crazy big deals all through direct mail, guys. So what can you expect? When I took my first course to learn how to sell land or learn how to wholesale land, I wasn't familiar with what land was, okay? All I knew was that you can only wholesale houses and multifamily, but it's difficult for multifamily, right? That's literally all I knew. So all my 1.5 years, I was just pursuing houses. And my market was so competitive, guys. And I think maybe my mistake was I wasn't in the right markets. That's possible. I'm not quite sure. But I will also say that as soon as I switched into land, I got my deal like that. I got my first deal like that, guys. So realistic time frame. If you're doing direct mail, if you pay for, and I will say, if you're gonna do direct mail, you gotta send at least 10,000 letters, okay? 10,000 letters. Boom, you're guaranteed to get one deal from that. And how much should that actually cost you? 10,000 letters will probably cost you about maybe 5 grand. You're looking at about 5 grand, okay? Yes, please understand that real estate is a business and it takes money to make money. You don't necessarily need to purchase the property, but you will need to have some type of investment up front to get those type of leads, okay? So if you don't have $5,000, please do not expect to get a deal within like 30 days or whatever. If you want to get a deal within 30 days, your best option is cold calling and SMS texting. Those are your best options, okay? But if you're doing direct mail, please allow at least 90 days to get your first deal. Or at least as soon as those mailers starts to hit, you're gonna get all those calls and people are gonna contact you. And you're gonna follow up on those leads. That should take at least 30 days to get the calls and 60 to 90 days with the follow-ups to get the leads under contract, okay? So those are the realistic expectations that I want you to have going into this business. Depending on your budget, you're gonna either do cold calling or SMS, or you're gonna do direct mail. I will literally recommend doing direct mail, guys. Don't even try to bother with the other two when you're first beginning. That's why if you have like a credit, what I did is I took a credit card, and at that time it was like 2020, so you know they were doing like the introduction period of 0% for 6 months, for a year. So I took advantage of that, and I charged everything on the credit card. I think it was all my starting expenses ended up being like $7,000 with the direct mail included. And I sent out about 3,000 letters, and I got one deal that I made $6 grand from. And then I got a couple deals just from that same direct letter. I got same deals from that. I got a couple more deals from that through follow-up, which ended up being 10 grand and more. And I just kept on mailing, I kept on mailing, and leads kept on coming in. So I would say that in realistic expectations, have 90 days in mind, bro. Like if you're doing something for 30 days and you don't see progress, you don't see results, don't stop, man. As long as you're doing the right things, you should begin results very, very soon. And check out my course down below. It's legit, no fluff, no buff, straight action that you can literally take to get your first deal in the next 90 days, man. And I will say, even if it's like 1,000, if it's 2,000, man, go ahead and get that deal locked up under contract, man. Because proof of concept is everything. So as long as you get that first deal closed and you understand like the process you have to go through, it is gonna change your mind completely. That's exactly what it did for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna plug myself in. Check out that course. You can also, schedule a one-on-one call with me if you want extra additional steps, or if you want some additional consult. I'm gonna post a lot more on my YouTube, so you guys can be able to have access to free resources that may help you along the way. But please keep in mind that it takes money to make money. But first and foremost, it takes a lot of courage, because what stopped me to get my first deal at first was because I didn't have the courage to lock the deal on the contract. All right, and I'm gonna break it down in a couple other videos. But when the number one thing you're gonna be scared of is like, fuck, did I get the right price? Because when you step into land, you don't have like a good buyer base, and land can be so tricky because you have like these developers and stuff like that, but then you also have like regular people and regular investors who just like to purchase land, for future use or for current use. Okay, so you can have both as your buyers, but it takes some time to build that list. And when you're starting, you don't have that list up front. So that's why if you check out my other video, I'm gonna have it linked up over here. If you check that out, it shows you how to find your buyers for that list, for that deal. But the one thing that's gonna stop you is like, man, I don't want to get this under contract and I can't sell it. So that's where courage comes in, and that's where knowledge and information comes in, because if you protect yourself, if you have the right contract that has the right wording, you can be able to back out that contract even if it's not the right price, or you can go ahead and renegotiate if you have a buyer but at a lower price. You get me? So courage first and foremost, then you need some money, guys. Anyways, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Please post a comment, let me know what you think. And also subscribe to my channel, man. You're gonna get a lot more information like this coming up. So it's your boy, King Cam Doom. Peace out.